Guys, come over here. It's Britney Spears' birthday for today. December 3, 2024, and it's Tuesday. See that, guys? It's still smoking, freshly cooked. Mmm, my ever-loving favorite. You want some grilled chicken? Are you sure? Mmm. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Don't be shy. Mm-hmm. Ah, so starving. Mmm. How about this one? Okay. Oh gosh. I'm being rattled. I'm so hungry, that's why. Come on. Open your mouth. Love it? Love it.